To access your project portfolio, click on the Work module. Here, you will be able to review active and inactive projects of your entire team. You can also see important information, such as start date, end date, and risks by project. Users who have access to financial data will see a breakdown at the level of consumption of hours, expenditure, and personnel costs compared to the budgeted ones. By selecting the Milestones button, you will see a list of the next milestones to expire in your portfolio, with their respective expiration date. Do not forget that by clicking on the 3 dots of any project in your portfolio you can access to the project Gantt, edit the project, duplicate it, unpublish it or delete it. We do not recommend deleting the projects since the platform has data on each project that can be consulted at any time, or even, they can be used to replicate the structure or repeat a very similar project. By having the option to deactivate the project, it will not be deleted, but you will stop seeing it in the project repository.